Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID profile picture not showing on Mac. So if your Apple ID profile picture is not showing on your Mac, even though it appears currently on your iPhone or other Apple devices, then the problem is most likely related to iCloud syncing rather than your Apple ID itself. Your Mac may simply be unable to download your latest account information, or a temporarily macOS glitch could prevent the profile picture from loading. So before making any major changes, let's try a few things that usually fix the issue. So to begin with, make sure your Mac is connected to a stable internet connection, because your Apple ID information is synced through Apple services. Without a reliable connection, your Mac won't able to download the latest profile picture. And once you have confirmed that, click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system setting when the menu prompt, and then click your Apple ID from the left sidebar and stay on the page for a few minutes, because sometimes macOS refresh your account information automatically and the profile picture appear on its own. Now if the profile picture is still missing, restarting refresh several background services responsible for iCloud syncing, and that alone can resolve temporary glitches. So to restart your Mac, first click on the Apple menu and then click on restart, and then follow the on-screen instruction to restart your Mac. But if restarting does not help, try signing out your Apple ID and then sign back in. And to do that, in the Apple account page, scroll down and then click on the sign out button and then follow the on-screen instruction. Now after a few times, signing back your Apple account. Now give your Mac a few minutes to sync everything again before checking your profile picture. And one last thing I'd recommend checking is whether a newer version of macOS is available. If the issue is cause of software bug, Apple may have already fixed it in a newer update, so it's always worth checking for a newer macOS update. And to do so, go to General in the left side pane and then click on the Software Update button. And after that, if any latest macOS update is available, follow the on-screen instruction to update your Mac. And that's it. One of these solutions should help bring your Apple ID profile picture back on your Mac. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.